Guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the Samsung Washer U6 error code. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. Now, if you're having issues with your Samsung Washer here and you're wondering how do you fix the U6 error code, well, there's a few things that you do to probably solve this issue. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check for a few differences here. So first is you want to check if it's shaking. Now, if the water or washer here is shaking a lot, like a lot, it's a sign that the load might be off balance. So from then on, what you need to do is you need to open up your washer here and you want to rearrange your clothes. So try to spread them out evenly around the drum instead of letting them just bundle up inside or in one side. So this keeps the weight balance, which stops the washer from wobbling. Now, also you might want to try adding extra clothes for bulky items. Now, if you're washing something heavy like a blanket or a pillow, toss in a few extra clothes to keep the balance it out. So that way the drum won't lean too much to one side when it actually spins. And if none of those works, you might want to restart the cycle. Now, once everything is balanced, just close the door, start the wash cycle, and the washer should run smoothly without the U6 error coming up again. So, in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.